What's going on, guys? For today's video, we have a Supreme Fall Winter 24 Week 12 live cop. And dare I say, this might be the biggest drop of the season so far. I'm so excited. I have friends that don't even like Supreme that are going to try to go for this. Like, I've never seen so many posts from people that I know that don't like Supreme, and just all around all over the internet right now posting about this collab. This has got to be the biggest collab Supreme has had so far this season. This jacket is going to resell for big money, I think. We've already seen pre-sale prices going for more than double the cost of the jacket, so I know this is going to be a huge week. And since these items are so hyped up, you pretty much only got the opportunity to go for one of the items. So I'm picking the jacket because I feel like the jacket is going to be the biggest item of the week. There's of course the jersey, which I do believe is still going to go for some serious money, but I think the jacket is going to be the highlight of the season in my personal opinion. Like I said, I have like 5 or 6 people that want to go for this jacket that don't even like Supreme, so this is going to be a huge week. There's not many items though, to be honest. It's like a 10 item drop or something like that. I don't really remember. Wait, let me go to this real quick. And I'm not trying to be negative or anything here, but I'm already going to assume that there's probably no way I'm going to be able to get this jacket, but we are going to try to go for the jacket in both the pink and the camel colorway. Hopefully you can cart too, because I'm just going to try to be crazy and click over. I'm going to lose a bunch of time if I misclick. But then there's obviously the jersey. I love the hoodie too, and then the beanies. So after all else fails, because I'm not going to lie, I'm probably not going to get anything. I'm probably just going to sell it way too quickly. But after the whole jacket situation, I'm going to try to go for the beanies with the flashlight. I'm assuming though this time you're only going to be able to get 2 beanies, so we're just going to try to get those 2 beanies with the flashlight in the next cart, and that's pretty much all that we're going for. Like I said, it's a really light week. We're pretty much just aiming for this jacket. I am praying we can hit this thing, but like I said, it's probably going to be an L. But before I get into the live cop, I did want to say, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my brand Sudden. I will have all the information on the screen as well as in the description down below. I appreciate all your guys' support, so let's get right into this live cop. All right, we are live on the live cop. We literally got less than a minute left until this drop. I gotta text Zach good luck. We've been wanting this item since they originally leaked it. I am praying we can hit this thing. I want this for the personal as well as to sell, so if I do get it, I'm gonna have no idea what to do, like if I should keep it. I need to stop talking like that because like I said, we might not even get this thing, so I don't want to get too excited. Already be spending the money. I don't have 20 seconds left. I know it will be after the drop by the time you're watching this, but good luck to anyone that is going for this jacket. Oh, we got 10 seconds left. Should our little jackets are new? I might just do new because we got 5 seconds. We have 5 seconds to go, and we're live. It's 11. It's not here. It is not here. And there it is. All right, we're going. Wow, the price was off. I thought it was 28, but we're still going for it. Come on. Come on. No. Come on. We got them both in there. All right, there's all the crosswalks, hopefully. No queue. We don't need the queue. We don't need the queue. Now I think the beanies might fly, so I almost kind of feel like I need to go on the app. We always got terrible luck on here though. Let's see the new. Wow, the new isn't even refreshed on the app yet. Okay, there we go. Wow, you can actually get all 4 beanies. So I'm gonna try to get the beanies as well as the flashlight on here. I completely forgot about the glasses too. I don't really know if I want those. I already got other glasses. We're gonna go for the checkout on the beanies on my phone. I'm sorry I did not have time to screen record it. I've also never made it this far on my phone. This is like crazy right now. So we got a cart loading right now with all 4 beanies with the flashlight. Unfortunately, I do not think this is free shipping, but that is all right. We are gonna take the L on it. We got both things going right now. Come on. No way. Are we through right now? Am I about to hit both these jackets? No way. Come on. Come on. I'm not a robot. No! It's doing the process thing again. No! No, I don't know what to do here because I messed this up last week. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. I think I gotta hit the refresh and then I'm gonna go back to the queue. Come on. You gotta be kidding me. Is it gonna go? No! The camo one is gone. Is it even worth it? Is it even worth it? Should I just go for the pink? We got pink, but I am so sick. I can't even believe that right now. Was $400. That is literally crazy. Is camo completely gone? Yeah, camo is completely gone. No. Am I through on here too? There's so many things going on. Still loading. Those hats have got to be gone too. All right, let's try to get all these. I cannot believe that. And the jersey is sold out. I don't know why I clicked on that. I'm probably gonna miss the beanies. I'm so upset. That is crazy. What am I doing right now? I'm being crazy. I'm being crazy. Couldn't find it. What an L. No! No, the beanie's gone too. Guys, we are not doing good right now. Well, I guess we got one jacket, so I can't be that mad. Come on, nothing else. Don't do the process thing. Did Zach hit it? Zach texted me 5 times. Can't read that right now, Zach, sorry. So we had to pay shipping on that. We lost one of the beanies, but we did get the pink jacket. That is nuts. I'm so upset. Like, I don't even want to know what the resale is on this right now. Zach did not get it, unfortunately. I believe that's everything we were going for. Both jerseys are sold out. The shorts are still here, which I kind of thought so. Wow, all the beanies except the pink one are sold out. I mean, in stock, sorry. What a week. I cannot believe, and the hoodies are here? That's kind of crazy. I cannot believe we almost had that. If the stupid process button, why does it do that? Why? This is so sick. I don't even want to know what it's going for right now. I cannot believe this. I am so upset, guys. I am so upset. I've been training all week for this moment and I didn't even get it. Look how sick this is. You have got to be kidding me. I am not going to live this down. This might be my biggest upset so far of the season. This is gorgeous. I cannot believe we just took that L. I guess again, the screen recording right here. Guys, I'm so genuinely upset right now. I cannot believe I didn't get this. I had faith I was going to get it. That is crazy. It's all because of that process thing. I wish I could show it better when I'm checking out, but all my information is on there, so it's kind of hard. When I'm editing it this time, I'm going to try my hardest to kind of show you guys what I'm talking about. I'm sure if you're on the website, on the computer, you know what I'm talking about. But just for those who don't know, because I know some people were asking me last week, it's just kind of hard to show you guys because all my information is right there, but I'm going to try my hardest this time to show you guys what I'm talking about. But I feel like if that didn't happen, we would have got it. We only got the one jacket, and then I'm upset that we had to pay shipping on those hats, but we got 3 of the 4 hats. I know I'm not screen recording anymore, but I actually want to go check right before I end this video. I will just tell you guys if the hats are sold out. Okay, so just the camo and the pink one are sold out right now. So surprisingly they don't all sell out. I almost kind of feel like maybe I should get another camo, but there's no way I'm gonna pay shipping with just one hat. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'm just gonna be so upset about this for weeks to come. If you did like this video, I have tons of other live cops on the channel, as well as a ton of other videos, and I have been uploading a bunch of shorts lately. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you go check out all that stuff on my channel. And if you want to, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my brand Sutton. Again, all that information will be in the description down below. I already said it before, but I appreciate all your guys' support lately. My room tour video is going to be coming soon because I said I would do that once I hit 1,000 subscribers. We finally hit 1,000 subscribers, so again, thank you guys so much. I cannot thank you enough. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys picked up from this week. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Alright, real quick before I end this video, I told my girlfriend this morning about the jacket if she wanted to try to go for it so she could resell it. No idea how, but she hit this thing. Camo, size medium. I'll put a screenshot up right now. So I guess I did get it. I'm gonna have a video coming out as soon as I get that in, but I can't believe she's never went for anything on Supreme and she hit the camo jacket and I didn't even get it. But anyways, huge shout out to her. Like I said, I'll make a video on it when it comes in. Thank you guys for watching. I'm out.